Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Shahid Ali Khan, your IT teacher, and today I am going to tell you about PowerPoint presentation. PowerPoint is a strong application software that can help you to make your presentation that can display anywhere in the classroom, in your office, or you can make your video as well as by using PowerPoint presentations. So let's see. First of all, you have to install PowerPoint presentation. Nowadays, 2013 and 2016 PowerPoint is very common. I have already installed 2016 PowerPoint. As you can see, there is an icon available on the taskbar. You can see there is a PowerPoint. You have to open that PowerPoint. And when you will open the PowerPoint first, so you will find this screen. Recently, different PowerPoint presentation that you have already prepared that will come in your list. And on the right side, there are different options. For example, you want to create a blank presentation, you want to create a gallery, you want to create a parcel, and so on. There are different themes, different built-in wallpapers are given there. You can choose anyone which one you like. For example, I want to choose the black one, the blank one. So I will click on this one like this. You will see the first PowerPoint screen will appear in front of you. And there are different options. For example, if you want to create a presentation of your lecture, for example, lecture topic is biology. For example, biology is a topic or your subject what you want to insert, and you can write your heading here, and you can make it bold heading, for example, like this. Same like Microsoft Word, you have apply these features, for example, bold, italic, underline to make your text so visible. For example, you can choose any font style here. For example, this one I want to choose. Again, I want to increase the font size, that is right now 60. I want to increase 72. And after that, you want to choose a background. Background is little bit dull or little bit white, that is not attractive. So you have to right click on your PowerPoint slides like this, and after that you will find the format background. And in format background you will see there are different options are available: solid fill, gradient, picture, texture, whatever. For example, you want to insert a picture into your background, that is also available. For example, I want to insert a picture into my background like this is a built-in images that are stored already in the Microsoft PowerPoint, but I want to upload from a file. So you have to choose any file from a picture. For example, I want to choose uh, this one. For example, I want to insert this picture into my background. And after that, you can insert any picture as well as you can insert any pattern. There are different patterns also available. For example, I want to insert a pattern, any kind of a pattern. For example, different patterns are also given. Whatever you like, or you want to insert a texture, there are different textures also available. You can insert different textures from here. For example, this one I would like. And after that, I want to insert a picture into my PowerPoint slides. For example, I want to picture insert here, so I will move towards the insert tab, and there is option given picture. So I will select a picture. You can select any picture. For example, I want to insert this one. You have to select the picture and click OK. After inserting the picture, you have to adjust the size of the picture, width, height, and so on, like this. This is a little bit bigger one. I want to make it centralized, and I want to change the size of the picture like this. And again, suppose that my first slide has been completed. and I want to insert the second slide, so I will move towards the insert menu. Again, there is an option that is new slide. You can see a new slide is up here. That is also blank. You can insert your title. For example, you want to insert any heading, plants, and make it a little bit bold and increase the font size, for example, and make it centralized from here and make it bold, and you can change the font style as well, for example this one, and you can change the font color as well, like this. And after that you can insert any text further here, anything which you want to insert into your PowerPoint presentation. And this one is a blank. You can insert the same pattern in this one. For example, you have to move there and you have to select textures. I have already selected this one, and now there is the option of coming on the bottom. You can see that is apply to all. So this same pattern or texture will apply into my all slides, so it will be symmetrical. So like this I will apply to all. You can see second slide is also change and the same color is appearing or the same texture is appearing. You can insert anything or you want to delete anything. For example, I do not like this text box here, so I want to delete. I want to insert another picture, so I will move toward the insert menu, then I will select picture, again another picture, for example this one, and I have to paste this picture anywhere, centralize, right justify, left justify. And after completing your slides, you can mention any heading anywhere. For example, you want to insert your name, so you will use a text box. You will move toward the insert menu, then use the text box and draw the text box anywhere. For example, prepared by, and write the name, for example Ahmed. And you can increase the font size as well as the font color. Choose from here font color and make it bold and increase the font size, and you will see, and right justify. So you will see your name will appear on the first slide. So in this way you can insert anything. Just move towards the insert menu. There is a picture option is coming, there is a text box option is coming, and there is a further more option. I will tell you step by step in the next videos. Right now I have explained about that how could you create a simple PowerPoint presentation that I have prepared in front of you. I have changed the texture of the background of my slides and I have inserted subheading and some pictures. And now that is very important, that how could you run your PowerPoint presentation. So you have to move towards the slideshow tab. You can see there is a slideshow tab. After that you have to run your presentation. So there is an option coming that is from beginning. You want to run your presentation from beginning, so you will choose this option. You will see your presentation will run on the screen, and whenever you will click on the mouse left button or from the keyboard arrow keys, so your slide will change. So there are further more options that you want to run your slide automatically, or you want to insert a time gap or the time difference. For example, that is transition. You can see there is a transition tab. I have selected the transition, and the rightmost corner you will see there is option on mouse click, because my slides has been changed when I will click on the on mouse click. See, again I will run slideshow, then you will see when I will click my mouse button, so my slide will change like this. Now I want to change my slides automatically, so I will use time difference. For example, 2 seconds. I want to change my slides after 3 seconds, like this you can see, and apply to all. So all slide will change automatically after 3 seconds. As you can see, I have choose 3 second time difference between the slide, and after that I will apply to all slides, and then I will run again from the beginning. You will see I am not touching any mouse or the keyboard, so automatically the slides is changing now after 3 seconds. When it will complete, so it will stop. So it is changing after 3 second difference, and you have to apply the time difference, that is transition 3 seconds, then apply to all. So in this way you can make a simple PowerPoint presentation. There are further more features of PowerPoint presentation that will explain in the next video. I hope that you will start PowerPoint presentation and try by yourself. If you have any difficulty, so you can ask. So in the next video, I will come with new features of PowerPoint presentation. So until that, Allah Hafiz.